Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our program, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. The number of days that elapse between the beginning of a calendar year and the moment a high-risk driver is involved in an accident is exponentially distributed. An insurance company expects that 30% of high-risk drivers will be involved in an accident during the first 50 days of a calendar year. What portion of high-risk drivers are expected to be involved in an accident during the first 80 days of a calendar year? Let us write T for the number of days that elapse before a high-risk driver is involved in an accident. And we treat this as a continuous random variable, so the number here means a real number. We know that T is exponentially distributed with unknown parameter lambda. We are also given that 0.3 is the probability that T is less than or equal to 50. But based on what we know about the exponential distribution, that probability that T is less than or equal to 50, which is the cumulative distribution function of the exponential distribution, is 1 minus e to the minus 50, the time of 50, times lambda, the parameter, the hazard rate of the distribution. And then, therefore, e to the minus 50 lambda is 0.7, so that lambda is equal to, well, you would solve it for lambda by taking the natural logarithm of both sides, so it would be minus 50 lambda is equal to natural logarithm of 0.7, and then if you take 1 over negative 50, by dividing both sides by a negative 50, then what you get is negative 0.02. So lambda is negative 0.02 times natural logarithm of 0.7. And what the question is effectively asking is, what is the probability that T is less than or equal to 80? And that's equal to 1 minus e to the minus 80 lambda, which is the same as 1 minus, well, negative 80 times negative 0.02. That's 1.6 times the natural logarithm of 0.7. E to the natural logarithm of 0.7 is 0.7, so this is equal to 1 minus 0.7 to 1.6, and that's approximately 0.4349, which is answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.